Here's a news flash out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Collector Bruce Johnson introduced a record at the Pittsburgh Collector Showcase this past week, and Bruce coined it the Monster. Here it is, the Monster that Bruce introduced.
Well, what you want with a hen that won't crack a when she's late? What you want with a hen that won't crack a when she's late? What you want with a woman that won't do nothing that she said? Well, I got a good woman, she just won't stay at home. But I got a good woman, she just won't stay at home. Well, she called me to grieve, yes, she called me to moan.
Yeah, cool one, Guitar Slim, called The Cackle on the Atco record label.